Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about how to create custom level height in Revit. Let's find out. First of all, I am going to compare the two projects in here, the different way they created the level height in here. In this one, you look at here is a second height. This project Revit Advanced Survey project. In another project, you already familiar this title block. In previous video I take explanation about Revit template, and you are familiar with this project. This is my project. I'm going to show you another level height. How are we going to create this level height? You look over here, this is a triangle shape. We are using for this triangle shape to develop our project. So in here the two types, one is a cycle height, one is a triangle shape. So how are we going to create look like this our custom level height in the Revit? So let's find out. I will going to explain to you so easy way, so you can keep it this video and made it and create it on your own, and you can apply it in your project. So first of all, I will going to open the new project to apply the level height. I'm going to explain the new one project. I'm going to open it. The construction used by the construction template is nothing as just the default Autodesk. Let's go open it. You are able to see the floor plan in here. I will going to the here in this here. You look over here, you just select over it. You were able to see this in property box, the cycle height, the project data. I'm not going to use this as cycle shape. It seems like if I change to the scale 1 to 50, and here in the default project they're using the cycle shape, but I'm not going to use this. I will going to use this as triangle shape and on our own. So okay, let's going to create about this. So going to here the find and new, look over here, is that the level height is under annotation symbol. So if you are not familiar this one, is you can create it here, new family, or in other way, and here this is annotation. You double click it, then here level height. But this is that's a common use. You're going to open the new family, going to here new family and annotation. There's a level height here. If you use it, you are able to see in here annotation symbol. Just click over this. We're going to create the level height. For this video, I was going to explain only one material level height. In next video, I was going to explain to you one by one is section height and section tail and the spot elevation symbol. So I was going to explain to you one by one. I will release a video in my channel, so you will have a look. You subscribe and like in my channel for more tutorial videos. Okay, let's find out material level height. So just click over this. You were able to see the rest test here. Just read over it. Note, level line terminate at the intersection or reference plane. In here, that's a reference plane. That is the level line in here. Dummy line show location of system level line. That is a dummy line. You can even delete it. Delete this node and dummy line before you're using. If you don't want to use this, you can delete it. If you still wanted to use, you just leave it a line. But the node mentioned clearly, delete this node and dummy line before using. So I was going to delete this. Okay, and I was going to create the triangle shape. What is going to create? Choose the line. We're going to create a line here. What you notice about this guy here, if less than 0.7, the Revit doesn't allow you to create any line or any object of this. It must be the 0.7 and 0.8. But if you make it smaller, he doesn't allow you. You look over it, that is a stop sign. He's not allowing you. So I will made it 45 is not really nice. It's about in here to 30 degrees. If 19 minus 30 is 60. So we're going to create this guy about 1.5. 30 is not really nice here. And how about 17? 70 is a 20 mm. Also 25 is this one, 65. 25 is 65. We're going to choose this 1.5 length. So you just mirror the line here. So this is a dummy line, so I can delete it. And here the line going to create, choose the line in here. This is I choose a 1.6 here. This length is 1.6. So only I created this assemble, but that's not enough. So we need to create the lever here. Just click over this. The default it gives it to you the 3 mm. The test side is a 3 mm, but in most of the project the annotation test use 2.5 millimeter. So we're going to choose a 2.5. It's duplicated. We'll type it the 2.5 millimeter and just the leader border offset to, so I just made it 2, and this is test size at 2.5 because I wanted it 2.5. Then the top side I made it 10 in here. Just click OK. Hold on. In here I like to choose a transparent test here. Okay, I just click over here. He asking you to choose that's a parameter. So what else you want to do is that first line we are going to choose a name. So if you created in your project is level 1 floor, level 2 floor, the name will be appear above all the line. So I will choose a name in here. Just click the name here and sample value here. Just click over this. Look over here. The name here. Another one, we're going to create this the level in here. Just click over this. Elevation. Click this. Okay. This way, I was going to explain to you. If you are working in Archi modeler, so if you are typing here FFR. If you are working in the structure modeler, you just type it as FR. But if you are in mechanical is only relying on architecture. So I will choose this the family for FFR. So just click over this. So I was going to arrange the task positioning in here, and just like this, and just like this. This one is going to outside, going to the left, right. Okay, so in this point I need to tell you about this. Our triangle is made it too small, so I made it here. It's 2.5 is something that in here. Okay. Okay, this dashboard is 0.75 to 0.75. Okay, so this FFR is so close in here. So what I'm going to here, the level just made it 1, 2 speed bar. You see that the gap here, FFR, the elevation point in here. So I might need to see this file in here in the courier, and that might be the family folder. Family. Okay, material, leather hat, and use find FFR. This is the one family. I will load inside. What is the project? Going to choose the project 1. So you're going to the elevation view, click over this, and then look over here, the symbol here, and FFR. This is what I created here. Just apply this. Look over here, and the first one is a naming, and second one is a level. FFR is for the final floor level, and the 4,000 here. But another one I might need to create it here, that I will going to save us to create another one for SFR. So this one I will choose this SFR. Click OK. Just edit the level. Just edit the level and SFR. And click over here, then load into the project 1 and stop view. You can choose this. Before you change this property, you might need to duplicate here the type property. What else we wanted to matrix underscore a level height, this one FFR. So I'm going to choose this guy. FFR is already here. Just click OK. Then how about this? I will choosing this FFR. So we have another one is SFR. Just duplicate it, change the name it, and SFR, and change the symbol one SFR. The rest you just leave it. Okay. In this way, I need to give it another one. In our project, we are not refer from the elevation base from project base 1. Always, in you are applying the real project, we are relying on the survey point here. Just click OK. In this sample project, is project base 1 and a survey point. The value are the same. The values are the same. Okay, so please take note about this. Make sure your level height, the level here that refer from the survey point in here, and this one change back to SFR. So if you are the structure modeler, oh, in here you look over here SFR and the level value is so close. What you need to do is just click the level and edit the level here. Just type it 1 2 space bars on your keyboard. Just click OK and load into your project. And this your second time to load into the project, but the family is already exists. But what you might need to do is just override the existing version and its parameter values, because you are having change your parameter values. So just click second option, then look into the elevation. Here there's a space bar between two space bars. Here the value is we see the gap here, so we need another one without the level here. So what you need to do is don't create a new one, you just save as a file, the family, and this one we're going to choose none. Save it. This one we don't need elevation here, and as save it, load into your project. This time this is a new family is loaded in your project 1. You go into the elevation view, just click over this and duplicate it. This time we were choosing none. Okay, just click OK. You see that only the triangle shade and the name here, the level name, and here level name, and click over this. Just click overlook like this. That's what you choose, what your custom the level height, the triangle shade, or even you want the cycle shade. is most of the project I saw the two option. One is a triangle, one is a cycle hat. It look like this heart, but normally in the real project we are like to choosing this triangle shape, just like that. Okay, but please they know about it. How are we going to create it? Okay, I will close the family, but you already here this somebody is already create this one. You wanted to modify this level height, but you need to find out where the level height in your project find that might be under the family. This is a bonus for you to understand about where I need to find to modify the exit family. Okay, before I created, I already told you about this level height under annotation symbols here. So what we have created, the name family name is in here, the name, this one. So what you need to do is just right click over here, find out is here, edit. That's it. That's the family is coming up. If you want to modify and you wanted to shade it, or you want to add on another line, another second shape, or whatever you wanted to modify in here. Okay, this time I was going to explain to you that's a default the symbol. You look about this, how are they going to create this guy. So I was going to explain to you in here. You see that 8 mm height, so we need to, okay, we will find out the 8 mm height. How are they going to create it? You see the left and right, so like the 45-degree shaded. So we going to on our project 1, I'm going to create it, going to define and click annotation symbol. Then we will choose level height, just click over this is a new one. Okay, make sure whatever the task or whatever the information they write in the family, you have to read it. Node level line, you terminate in the section of the reference planes. Dummy line, show location or system level line. Delete this node and dummy line before using it. Okay, make sure we're going to delete it. I don't like it. So how are they going to create it? Just go into the create ribbon and choose the line and the cycle here, and this is a draw option here. I will choose the cycle height. I was choosing about 3.5. How about the 3.5? It's looking good. So they are choosing this direction is field object. So create it here, the field region here. Before we change the color in here, look at this solid black. Don't worry, I will duplicate it. The new one is blue. The LED is blue, but then this blue and this blue. Just click over this and click over this. Look at this. We're done. Another one, I will go into the mirror. I don't want to create it. I'm just lazy in something that sometimes that. So look at this. We have created this. Then we wanted the level parameter here. Go into the create ribbon and click over this. This is a 3 mm. We will choose 2.5 mm. 2.5 mm. I like to choose a transparency here, 0.75, and the test 2.5. That's height at 2.5. Click OK. Then I will click here. The first line will be the name. So you select it. I will choose to the right here. The right. Okay, another one, another level. I will write in here in elevation. Okay, elevation. If you don't want, you want to type in FFL or SFL, it's up to you. but this time I'm going to choose the right side. Just like this. This is a circuit head what we created. So I will say the file how much 3.5 mm circuit head. Just click OK and log into the project one. Just click OK. What else we need to do is just duplicate. This time the level head will be the 3.5 mm and cycle. The cycle and choose look like this. This is what I'm created. The circuit head. Okay. So I hope you get this video how to create the custom level head. Make sure you subscribe and like for more tutorial videos. In this video, I hope you get this. You will wait for the next video. Bye bye.